and you are able to activate ChatGPT Plus for free. If this offer does not appear for you, you can try using IP addresses from the United States, Azerbaijan, Spain, and a few other locations. You see that you have an offer here, and it says you can by paying. Activate your ChatGPT Plus subscription. To complete the activation, simply click the button and it will redirect you to the payment page. There you will be able to activate ChatGPT Plus for free without any expenses. On this channel, we always provide ways for you to get ChatGPT Plus for free without paying any fees. But if you want to stay informed about these offers, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Think for yourselves, because on this channel we always share methods for you to get ChatGPT Plus. Get it completely for free without having to pay any cost. If you want to stay updated on these offers, please subscribe to our channel.